Preview.
This is it. The moment two European giants put domestic glory on pause for a shot at immortality. It's Inter Milan versus Barcelona, a Champions League semi-final that already gave us a 6-goal thriller in the first leg. And guess what? It's only half time. The first leg, 3-3. End-to-end drama, screaming volleys, chaos, a match that had it all and left us begging for more. Now, with a spot in the final at stake, the battle continues in the iconic San Siro. Let's talk Inter first. They finally snapped a 5-game winless run with a narrow 1-0 win over Verona. Not exactly title-winning form, but it could be the confidence boost they needed. San Siro had been quiet lately, but the Nerazzurri faithful are ready to explode tonight. This is not just about reaching the final, it's about reminding Europe that Inter belong at the top. But then there's Barcelona, top of La Liga, just one loss in 2025. They had to come from behind to beat relegated Valladolid last weekend. But guess what? Hansi Flick rested nearly his entire starting 11. That's how much this game matters. No Lewandowski tonight, a big blow. And with doubt over Jules Koundé and Balde, their backline could be shaky. But don't sleep on this team, especially when they have won 24 out of 30 games this year. Barca have been firing on all cylinders. But the league goals too. 15 of their last 16 Champions League games have gone over 2.5 goals. And yes, both teams scored in 13 of those. And when it comes to head-to-head, Barca have the upper hand. 6 wins to Inter's 2 in 13 meetings. But here's the twist. Barcelona's defense is vulnerable on the road, conceding over 2 goals in 6 of their last 7 away UCL games. And Inter, their last 4 Champions League games, saw both teams score and the match go over 2.5 goals. So buckle up. We could be in for another goal fest. Now, keep your eyes on this name, Lamine Yamal. He turned heads in the first leg, fans already whispering Ballon d'Or in the stand. While Rafinha and Lewandowski grab the headlines, Yamal keeps making noise quietly. He's already scored against Italian teams twice this season, and 8 of his last 9 goals have come in cup competitions. Want a wildcard pick for goal scorer? There's your man. And to that, Hansi Flick has never lost to Simeone Inzaghi. 2 win, 1 draw. Advantage Barcelona. But remember, this is the Champions League. Logic does not always win here. Moments do. So, who's going to step up? Who's writing their name in the history tonight? Inter versus Barcelona, a Champions League classic in the making. Don't blink. Follow for more such content. Stay safe.